Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing my new Samsung Galaxy A13. This is my old phone, which is technically my first proper phone. Before that was just a Nokia Lumia. As you can see, it looks pretty old. Came with Android 10, upgraded to Android 11, and upgraded to Android 12. It was resetted 2 times, which I kind of regret, but yeah, as you can see, this is pretty much why you know. So, let's move from that to the new phone, which is in an Officeworks box. Okay, so this is the new phone. Comes with Android 12, not sure about the One UI. And these are some earphones. Has this stuff, and this Galaxy A13. Let's actually look at the box of my old phone. Okay, so I can't really find the old box, but what I'll do is let's just get to the unboxing. So let's put this aside, and let's unbox. First, there's like a little sticker thingy, a seal. Let's just try to do that. I suck at unboxing, by the way. Probably because my impulsivity and impatience. But now let me just so a few other times when I try to unbox stuff, I usually like record them and get too impatient and impulsive, so I just, so this is just way too. And now let us finally, geez, okay. Now we have this part here, and that should be the actual phone. Probably will have to do in this weird view, but it's worth it because I want to witness it with my own eyes as well. Okay, we have Samsung. Okay, is it recording? Okay, Samsung. Woohoo! As you can see, we have the thingy, the phone, and you can see we have the beautiful phone. Let's just that's the thingy. I'm pretty sure that's where you can move the Sims and stuff. Samsung Galaxy A13. Infinity V display, quad camera, fingerprint. Okay, let us open the thingy. Okay, let's put that aside. Samsung Care Plus, added comfort for your device. Samsung Care Plus is a device swap program, blah 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 blah. And let's just put that aside. Oh my god, no way. 2023 actually. You get a phone with no, that's a lie. That's actually a lie. That has to be fake. Oh my god. Bro, with a USB. Anyways, the charging cable and the thingy. So let us set it up. This mess. Okay. The phone itself, and now I'm gonna set it up. I've got the glossy back of the phone, but that's okay. This is just a budget phone. This is alright. And this is the front of the phone. Very good. I already have a little spot on there. That's not the sun. Yeah, it's very shiny, bro. Okay, let us turn it on for the first time. Okay. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. Thingy, whatever that is. Let's do it from this view, cause why not? I'm funny. Let's just wait for this to you know, turn on. It's finally doing this dot thingy. Welcome to your phone. English Australia. Start. Insert a SIM to connect to a mobile network. Okay, I'll just do the setup process myself. Even if it's for nostalgia, I'll still do the setup process myself. Haha, future me. Okay, so the phone has been set up, and that's totally not what I did. Covering that up. And yeah. So as usual, nothing has transferred. As you can see, for some reason there's Google Messages on there. These apps, Microsoft Launcher, Microsoft Start, Bing, and Mats. That's all that transferred. And what the hell is Brain Test? Anyways, see you guys later. Bye.